In this video, I'm going to show you how to add ledger to Cointracker.io. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to Cointracker.io and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, we want to go ahead and either click onto wallets or add wallet. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click onto wallets. Then from here, it's going to say add wallet. So go ahead and click on add wallet. Now in the search bar, you can go ahead and find it manually if you like, but it's just going to be easier if you hit the search bar, type in ledger. Now here it is here. So you got 3 different versions of ledger. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on the first one here. So from here, we can select the blockchain. So Ledger supports multiple blockchains, so we need to select the one you want to add. So for example, you can add Bitcoin, Ethereum, other supported networks. So if I choose Bitcoin for this, then from here, we want to go ahead and copy your Ledger public address. Then the next step, we need to go ahead and open up a Ledger Live on your computer. Then basically go to account and then select the account you want to track. Then click receive and then copy the public wallet address. Now this address allows Cointracker to track your transactions without accessing your private keys. So from here, we need to go back to Cointracker and then put in that public address here. And then from here, we can go ahead and click on add ledger. And now that's going to go ahead and let Cointracker sync transactions. So Cointracker will now scan the blockchain and pull all transactions associated with that address. After syncing, you're going to see your crypto balances, transaction history, and even your portfolio value.